Hello everyone, how are you today? Okay, today we are going to talk about a new topic, a new important topic. So, right now I'm going to talk to you about a and an as an article. So, we have to identify a and an as an article. So, it is an important topic that we have to use in every single conversation in nowadays. So I'm going to explain to you something a little bit about it in the next page. Okay, in here we have a concept about it. So we are going to talk about the first one, that is a. Okay, a is used before words that begin with a consonant. So it means that we have to pay attention to each word that we are going to use. For example, if we used the first word, that is monkey, we have to pay attention about the sound. Okay, I'm telling you that it is just the sound. Okay, the first word is monkey. Okay, what is the sound of the first word? It is okay? It is an M sound, okay? So we say monkey. Okay, so we are going to be using a because we are using the article a before a consonant sound, that is sound. Okay, perfect. So in this case it is correct if we say a monkey. Okay, the second one, we are talking about the word bird. Okay, so we have to identify the sound. Okay, the sound, not the letter. Okay, and we say a bird. So in this case, we are using a correctly because we are identifying that we have a B sound, and we are using correctly the article a. Okay, the next one we are talking about a donkey. What is the sound of the word donkey? What is the sound? Okay, we have a D sound, right? And so if we used a, we are in the right way using the article. Okay, perfect. And the last one, we are talking about the word snake. Okay, pay attention to the pronunciation. We are saying snake. Okay, some people say a snake. If you say a snake, you will be confused because you will be able to use an, because you are saying a vowel sound, and it is not correct. Okay, we are going to say snake. It is an S sound. Okay, a snake. It will be a good idea to use it. Okay, then we are going to explain about the article an. Okay, and is used before words that begin with a vowel sound. Okay, we are going to be paying attention about the pronunciation of the word. Okay, at the same time, we are using an before words that begin with a vowel sound. Okay, in this case, we have the first one, and we are saying eagle. So what is the first sound of the word? Okay, and we are saying an eagle, and it is a good idea if we use it at this moment like this. Okay, the second one, we are talking about an iguana. We are going to say iguana as in Spanish. Okay, so it is very easy to identify the the vowel sound if we say an iguana. Okay, because it is a vowel sound. Okay, then we are going to talk about the other one that is an ostrich. Okay, we are paying attention about the word in ostrich. It is an O sound, right? So yes, an O sound is a vowel sound. That's it. That is correct. So we are using an ostrich, and that's perfect. Okay, the next one we are talking about an elephant. What is the sound of the first word? We are saying elephant. So it is correct if we say an elephant. Yes, of course. So now we are using in an effective way the a and an articles. So right now we are going to having here some examples in which you will also uh, be able to answer those exercises. Okay, we have the first one and we are going to say a or an, a book or an book. Okay, we are going to say a book. Okay, perfect. A book because we have a B sound at the beginning. Perfect. Okay, the second one we are going to say an or an ant. Okay, we are going to say an ant. Why? Because we are using as a vowel sound at the beginning. Okay, perfect. We are going to talk about the next one, that is the word cat. Okay, repeat after me, please. Cat. When you say cat, what is the sound? It is a vowel sound, or it is or it is not a vowel sound. Okay, it is a consonant or a vowel. Okay, we are using a consonant sound, so we are going to use a cat. Okay, perfect. The next one, we are talking about apple. We are going to say an apple or a apple. Okay, if we say a apple, it sounds like weird, right? Okay, we are going to be using an apple because we have a vowel sound at the beginning. Okay, and the rest you will be able to do it because we are explaining about that. So but it is very easy to identify. Just pay attention to the sound at the beginning of the word in order to use a or an. Okay, so we have exceptions. Let me tell you that we have exceptions in which I'm going to explain to you right now. So please pay attention that we are going to use the sound only. Okay, we are not using the letter. Okay, pay attention to these examples. Okay, in this case, we have the word university. Okay, repeat after me, please. University. What is the first sound? It is a vowel sound or a consonant sound. Okay, if we say the word, we say that it is a vowel, right? But the pronunciation is like this word, like this. Okay, so it is the difference. So we are going to use the sound. So I'm saying university. It sounds like another word, like a consonant. So we are in this case we are going to use a university because we are taking into account the sound. Okay, the second one, we are going to have another exception. In this case, will be the word honest. When we say honest, you can say that we have a consonant in here, but we are talking about the sound. Okay, when we say honest, we are using the O sound at the beginning. Okay, so that's why in this case we are going to use an as an answer. Okay, an honest girl. Okay, guys, I think it is a good idea to be practicing every single day. If you have a conversation with somebody, you have to practice a lot different articles, so it will be useful for you guys. Okay, see you next time and have fun. Thank you so much.